Hi, Deborah Law Interiors here. Just a quick note to let you know we're still operating as fully as we can. My studio is based here in my back garden, and a lot of the work we can do digitally for you. We can import architects' plans, we can get them into our model, we can make suggestions and have video calls for you. Here's a little example of what we've been up to lately. From this layout of a clinic we're designing, we've been able to build for our clients a basic concept of what the reception area could look like. This is a current complete renovation we're undertaking, where we can take, again, the architect's plans, we can model it, we can move walls around, create openings where I think they should be, and start basically designing the flow and concept of the property. And we can send people decor schemes digitally, as you can see. So our interior design world is fully functioning, and if we can help you in any way, then please give us a call. Happy to have discussions over the phone, via video. We can exchange information as you've seen, and we could be working on your project remotely, no problem.